How to use a home vacuum cleaner properly. A vacuum cleaner is a device that uses suction to remove dust, dirt, and debris from floors, carpets, upholstery, and other surfaces. Vacuum cleaners are useful for maintaining a clean and healthy environment in your home or office. However, not all vacuum cleaners are the same, and you need to know how to use them properly to get the best results. Here are some tips on how to use a vacuum cleaner effectively. 1. Choose the right vacuum cleaner for your needs. There are different types of vacuum cleaners, such as upright, canister, stick, handheld, robotic, and central. Each type has its own advantages and disadvantages, depending on the size, shape, and features of your space. For example, upright vacuums are good for large areas with carpets, while canister vacuums are more versatile and can reach tight corners and stairs. Stick vacuums are lightweight and easy to maneuver, while handheld vacuums are ideal for small spills and hard-to-reach places. Robotic vacuums can operate autonomously and clean your floors without your supervision, while central vacuums are installed in your walls and have powerful suction. 2. Read the manual and follow the instructions. Before using your vacuum cleaner, make sure you read the manual and understand how it works. The manual will tell you how to assemble, operate, maintain, and troubleshoot your vacuum cleaner. It will also tell you what attachments and accessories are included with your vacuum cleaner and how to use them for different surfaces and tasks. For example, some vacuum cleaners have a brush roll that can be turned on or off depending on whether you are cleaning carpets or hard floors. Some vacuum cleaners also have a height adjustment that can be changed according to the thickness of your carpet or rug. 3. Prepare the area before vacuuming. To make your vacuuming more efficient and effective, you should prepare the area before you start. This means removing any large or fragile items from the floor, such as toys, shoes, books, or vases. You should also move any furniture that might block your access to the floor or corners, such as chairs, tables, or sofas. If possible, lift up any curtains or drapes that might get caught in the vacuum cleaner. You should also check the floor for any sharp objects that might damage your vacuum cleaner or cause injuries, such as nails, pins, or glass. 4. Vacuum in a systematic way. To ensure that you cover the entire area and don't miss any spots, you should vacuum in a systematic way. This means starting from one corner of the room and working your way across in parallel rows or stripes. You should overlap each row slightly to avoid leaving gaps or streaks. You should also change direction occasionally to lift up any embedded dirt or dust from different angles. You should also pay attention to high traffic areas or places where dirt accumulates more easily, such as doorways, stairs, or under furniture. 5. Empty or replace the bag or bin regularly. To maintain the suction power and performance of your vacuum cleaner, you should empty or replace the bag or bin regularly. Depending on the type of your vacuum cleaner, you might have a bagged or bagless system. Bagged vacuums have disposable bags that collect the dirt and dust and need to be replaced when they are full or when they lose suction. Bagless vacuums have reusable bins that collect the dirt and dust and need to be emptied when they are full or when they lose suction. You should check the indicator on your vacuum cleaner to see when it is time to empty or replace the bag or bin. 6. Clean and store your vacuum cleaner properly. After using your vacuum cleaner, you should clean and store it properly to prolong its lifespan and prevent any problems. You should unplug your vacuum cleaner and detach any attachments or accessories that you used. You should wipe down the exterior of your vacuum cleaner with a damp cloth to remove any dust or dirt. You should also clean the attachments or accessories with a damp cloth or rinse them under running water if they are washable. You should let them dry completely before storing them in a cool and dry place. You should also check the filter of your vacuum cleaner and clean or replace it as needed. The filter is responsible for trapping any fine particles that might escape from the bag or bin and affect the air quality in your home or office. Depending on the type of your filter, you might have a washable or disposable one. Washable filters can be rinsed under running water and left to dry completely before putting them back in place. Disposable filters need to be replaced when they are dirty or clogged. You should also check the cord of your vacuum cleaner and wrap it neatly around the hooks or clips provided on your vacuum cleaner. You should avoid twisting or tangling the cord as this might damage it over time. You should also check for any cuts or frays on the cord and replace it if necessary. You should store your vacuum cleaner in a cool and dry place, away from direct sunlight or heat sources. You should also keep it away from children or pets who might play with it or damage it. How to use a home vacuum cleaner properly?